So I decided not to do shelves. I'm doing, as you can see there, I'm doing pegs. The reason I didn't want to do shelves is because with the sawdust that's produced in this shop, then I have to be cleaning out shelves. Now, it's pretty crude, but it's functional. Okay, let's see. It holds it in place, it does a good job. And my wife bought me this at Woodcraft. It's worked out really well. I'll do another tour of my shop, but this is a workbench that I built about 3 years ago. About 21 or 22. No, I was in 21. I was in 22. It's a Nicholson style. Of course, the cart, I have a video on how I built that. So I just need to clean it all up. This part here, that's where I'm going to put my signs and American flags. I need to leave some space up there so that I can bring in a split system. I got all my big old pipe clamps up there, and of course the clamp rack. I have a ton of clamps. It's still a mess in here. Okay, I still got to build a shelving system for that pack out, but I need to get it organized. So those 3x3s will be part of the frame for those carts. They're flip carts, so I can put those items in the on them, and I can take them out when I need them. This rack or shelf will be cleared off of all this lumber to be used for signs and other projects that are coming up. Another beautiful piece of redwood cedar. I have my Festool hangs there like a bat. Anyways, I'll keep you updated.